So this afternoon we've run the London Mini Marathon, 2.6 miles, which was 2.5 laps of our beautiful Dolerw Park here. We've been very lucky to have Welsh athlete Aled Breeze come and be our lead runner. We brought 96 children down to do the run, and all of their parents have donated money towards the British Heart Foundation. So it's been a fantastic afternoon.
One of the reasons for coming out today really is to come and enjoy being in the outdoors, do a bit of exercise, but one big reason is we've noticed in terms of the fitness of the children returning to school that a lot of the children, particularly old ones, have lost fitness, and so it's important to get out and about, get them running and exercising again.
So we think in Penygloddfa it's hugely important that despite COVID going on, that the children are still extremely active, or as active as we can be. We try and organise all our sports in a safe way where the children are distanced. We've got our own bubbles. So today we put each class in a different area to keep all their kit and everything. And it's so important for their mental well-being and their physical health that despite what's going on, that they're out in the fresh air, using up their energy and having a really good time, and all our children had a brilliant afternoon.